must be really angry with us. Guys, you gotta be safe out there. Pray it up, pray it up.
Yeah, big up Steph Shutter.
Steph Shutter.
Steph Shutter.
StefShutterTv, baby!
We just got word from government that they're setting up a camp over in the parade ground so that we can, you know, pick up food. Anybody who need food, need water, it will be available there. Carnival's actually over there cooking up food as well. So we're gonna head over to the parade ground here in Grand Turk, and we're gonna see what's going on. This is day 2 after the Hurricane Irma 2017 here in Grand Turk. Let's see what's going on.
Let us pray. Father God, we thank you for your grace. We thank you for your mercies. We thank you, oh God, that you have allowed us and spared us to be here today on this blessed Saturday afternoon. God, as we have already overcome Hurricane Irma, we only want to thank you for your protection of our lives here in Grand Turk. We thank you for the protection of our lives, of each and every one of us who are standing here, those who have survived, those who have no damages. We thank you for those who even had damages, God, but we thank you that we are here today only because of your grace and your mercy.
Good afternoon, everyone. First and foremost, thanks for coming out. I know that this is a very difficult time for most of you. A lot of persons have suffered damage, but we just wanted the opportunity to come together to inform you of a few things. One, first and foremost, I have to inform you that we have had confirmation from the Bahamas Meteorological Office as well as the Foreign and Commonwealth Office that currently, on the current time, Hurricane Jose is not headed for the Turks and Caicos. It is expected to make a turn, so it is not currently forecast to impact the Turks and Caicos. But at the same time, I'm urging you that today is September 9th.
So, we're headed back home now. Yeah, it was for tarp. So, no food, no water this time. It was just tarp for people that lost their roofs and stuff like that. So, all right. So the next time. All right. It's hot, sweating, tired. And it's only day 2 after the storm. I'm about to go in the back and try to get I'm about to go hit the well to pull up a little bit of water, because we need water for the bathing, the usual stuff. So luckily we have a well in the back. My throat just started getting real dry, so I have my little setup that I just created. Guys, you gotta be prepared. I've never been in a real hurricane or anything like that. I lived in New York, and basically I lived in big cities most of my life. So now, going through a hurricane on a small island, it's been a challenge. But the people here are awesome. Everybody stick together. That's the greatest thing about it, is that everybody stick together. We just came back from the parade ground, and I thought they was giving out like care packages and stuff, but they just had tarp today. So for the people that had their roof taken off, because Irma did a number on people's roofs. So, excuse me, I don't know why my throat is so dry right now. Well, could be because I need something to drink, but I'm gonna get to that in a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this one. Let's see. This is how we're gonna do this. Alright, let's go get some water. This is the bucket. I'm going to fill it up. And so, this is how you do it. Got my little bucket. And then the big bucket is down here. Launch it over like that. Slack. It's like catching fish.